As the world celebrates the release of Fable 5 and Mythos 5, India prepares for something very different, a cybersecurity threat. With RBI asking Indian banks to start bolstering their defense against frontier AI models. But, well, as always, before we deep dive into that very story, and an important one, please, I request you to like, share and subscribe. Now that you have, thank you so much. We will get on with this very important development. Now, since April, the Indian government has been on their toes. Mythos was something no one expected. Nirmala Sitharaman immediately started asking Indian banks to, well, start looking through their digital infrastructure. Now, the Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, has asked banks to submit a report detailing their artificial intelligence preparedness and an action plan by the end of this month. And after doing so, the banks are advised to establish structured cybersecurity frameworks, conduct AI-focused risk assessments, identify vulnerabilities within their systems, implement mitigation measures where, well, absolutely necessary. And I think this is where it becomes extremely important, and why should it matter? The existence of Mythos has actually scared governments, and even though India is one of the countries that can access Mythos preview, it is not clear whether the country can access the newly launched model. With all of this in mind, it becomes pertinent for payment systems, bank accounts, personal details and other sensitive information to be absolutely safe. The Unified Payment System, or UPI, is a nexus for the aforementioned information, and even though it's being routinely patched, security risks continue to exist. Now for banks, this is about protecting the people whose money they handle. Our money, yes, our accounts, and most importantly, our very, very personal information. Now, this directly affects our daily physical lives, not just our digital ones. Now, while Mythos could help India's cybersecurity systems, we must consider the opposite. Will these AI systems reveal new exploits? A new method to protect is also, well, a new method to attack. The fear is that there will be risk hitherto unforeseen. RBI says that it is fully prepared to deal with the threats from advanced AI models, guiding other financial institutions, well, to do the same. But the question I want to ask you is, can they really? Well, here is the front page take. Just like that, it all actually comes down to access. The exclusivity of these models, the existence of these models creates camps of those deemed secure and those harmful. And even with the publicly released models, vulnerabilities could still be exploited. There is no guarantee that things will continue to remain secure. How will frontier models like Mythos create a security asymmetry? How could our information be exposed to malicious actors? How could we go ahead and depend entirely on a system or a model which has been developed, which is not sovereign? That's another question. So, well, this and a lot more, I would like for you to probably share your thoughts with us in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.